In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook password. We'll start in any web browser. Search for Outlook, then open the official Microsoft result. To stay safe, check that the web address ends with outlook.com or microsoft.com so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike. Sign into your Outlook account with your Microsoft credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox and can continue. Whether you use a personal, work, or school account, the process is similar, though the page layout may vary slightly. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or the circle with your initials. In the menu that appears, choose My Microsoft Account. This opens your account hub in a new tab, where your profile, subscriptions, and security settings live. If you ever get lost, this hub is the central place to manage everything related to your Microsoft account. In your account hub, select Security, then choose Manage How I Sign In. Microsoft occasionally adjusts the wording, but you're looking for the area that controls passwords and sign-in preferences. This section is where you manage your password and other ways you can access your account. On the Security page, find the section labeled Change Password. Right beneath that heading, click the link that says Change. Depending on your setup, you may see a quick identity check. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to verify it's really you before moving on. Now enter your new password and confirm it in the second box. For a strong, memorable password, aim for at least 12 characters and mix letters, numbers, and symbols, or use a long passphrase made of random words. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Double-check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and, if available, use the show or hide icon to preview what you've typed. If you use a password manager, store the update so you won't forget it. When everything looks correct, select Save. You should see a confirmation that your password has been changed. Your web session may stay active, but other devices and apps that use your Microsoft account, such as the Outlook desktop app or your phone's Mail app, might ask you to sign in again with the new password the next time they sync. That's expected and confirms the change is in effect. To wrap up, you opened Outlook, signed in, went to your profile menu, opened My Microsoft Account, navigated to Security and Manage How I Sign In, chose Change Under Change Password, entered and confirmed a new password, and saved. Test your new sign-in on one device to be sure everything works. Thanks for watching.